The strands in your eyes that color them wonderful starry that steal my breath, and emeralds from the mountains thrust towards the sky, never revealing their depth. And tell me that we belong together, and dress it out with the trappings of love. I'll be captivated, I'll hang from your lips instead of the gallows of heartache that hang from above. And I'll be your crying shoulder, I'll be love suicide, and I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest fan of your life.
You're my best friend and you're my biggest supporter. Today I vow to love you, protect you, and encourage you to be the best version of yourself every day. I promise to fight for you when you are weak, care for you when you are sick, and ensure that you are always cared for as you deserve to be. You are always there to keep me grounded, and also there to encourage ideas most call crazy, like traveling 10,000 miles to come to Bali. And as usual, improving on my ideas by suggesting getting married here and then setting it all up. Although this may be unconventional, I can't think of a better place to begin our life as husband and wife. Positive can come from anything in life, although it's often hard to see in the moment. When I ended up living at UMass Dartmouth, I certainly didn't expect I'd meet the woman I'd spend the rest of my life with. So thank you for giving me a place to live and picking me up in hard times and continuing to be with me during the better times. I know the best is yet to come for us, and I can't wait to experience it with you by my side.
Andrew, today I give myself to you in marriage. Some would say that it took us a long time to get here. If I could go back in time, I wouldn't have done it any differently. We fell in love at a young age, and that love has only gotten stronger every day since I've known you. We've luckily already experienced many of life's ups and downs, and the way you've held my hand through it all already proves to me you are truly my partner in life. I love our love story, and I'm so excited for the next chapter. As your wife, I vow to love you every single day, to be your support system and your cheerleader. I vow to stand by your side in good times and in bad. I vow to treat you with respect and to always be honest with you. I vow to always kiss you goodnight. I'm the luckiest woman in the world to be able to call you my husband. I would know since we traveled around the world. I love you forever.
Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river.
Andrew and Lesley, we have witnessed today the words of love and promises of lifelong sharing. We have witnessed the depth of your love as symbolized by the giving and receiving of rings. Therefore, it is deeply pleasing to pronounce you as husband and wife. Congratulations! Celebrate with a kiss.
Take my hand, take my whole